Hello, dear students. Today we will talk about the major biomes of the world. So, first of all, the question arises, what is a biome? The biome. What is a biome? Now, you all know that to make sense of complexity, humans often need to categorize things. We categorize all type of things. But when we talk about the environment, that is the largest thing is the environment, and different type of environments that are found on earth. So usually we group the different natural areas on earth into categories based on plants and animals, and even life and how they are able to survive in that part of the world. Now we also make groups on different basis. So making groups based on living organisms can be very complicated when we talk about the division. And when we group organisms with similar adaptations together, that means when we are putting the animals which are having similar type of adaptations, there is lot of complexity, and here we have a chance to better understand the living on earth by dividing them on the basis of different criteria. Now here we are talking about the biome. What is a biome? So biome is a type of environment that is defined by the type of organisms that live there, and we can also think of these as life zones. That means biome categories, they can be broad or narrow. For example, if we are dividing them on the basis of forest, so forest can be, we can imagine forest as cool, quiet, and with pine trees where the large sized bear live. And we can also think of the wet, dark, and noisy rainforests. So here we are dividing the same type of forests where the same type of environments are. But some people, they say all forest types, they belong to one group. This difference of opinion means that there can be number of biomes, or the biomes, they can range anywhere from 5 to 20 biomes. But in order to understand the huge diversity of the types of environment, we divide the world into only 9 biomes. That can be tropical rainforest, temperate forest, desert, tundra, taiga, grasslands, savanna, freshwater, marine, and even there can be virtual biomes can also be there. So now, what is the actual definition of the biome? So finally, we can say biomes are various regions of our planet that can best be distinguished by their climate, fauna, and flora. So there are different ways of classifying biomes, but the common elements are climate, habitat, animal and plant adaptations, biodiversity, and human activity.